Mr. Mojo here, and we're going to be talking about how to use your control solutions with your Keto-Mojo GKI Bluetooth meter. Your meter comes with two control solutions, one for glucose and one for ketone. And I'm going to take you through a glucose control solution. But why would we want to use it? Well, if you suspect that your meter might not be working, and remember, we're the only meter company in the world that has a lifetime warranty, you can use your control solutions to check. So on the side of the box, and you guys can see that there it says here control 2, and it gives you a range either in milligrams per deciliter or in millimoles. If when you use the control that the measurement falls within that range, you know that your meter is working perfectly to the specifications laid down by federal and CE regulations. Also, you'll find that that control number is written on the side of the box of your meter. So let's go and do a control test. And to do that, you're going to need the following. You'll need a glucose strip, the glucose control, and your meter. So let's open this up, get that strip ready to go. Here we go. What I like to do is just give it a little bit of a shake before. This is a glucose control. It's got a little bit of red dye that is on there. We place the strip in the meter, like so. It'll lighten up. And what I like to do is just take a little droplet, see it come on in there, there you go. And I squeeze the top and I can get of my bottle, I can get a little bead that comes up on the top. Can you guys capture that on the camera? Let's see if we can do it. Here we go. And I just suck that up, like so. In 5 seconds, it'll count on down. And what's happening is saying 6.5 millimoles for the control, and then you will also see that it's lighting up here saying C as a control. And that's very important because all control measurements will not go onto your app. They are kept away so that we don't want them muddling up your measurements. So now we've got 6.5, and let's take a look at level 2 control, and that should be between 5.1 and 7.6. So it is firmly in the middle there. You know your meter is working the way it should do. And you do exactly the same thing with ketone.